When I tell you I was skeptical about these pancakes, I was skeptical, but these high protein cottage cheese pancakes are so good. Let's make them. So we're going to start with 1 cup of cottage cheese. And I used my hand mixer to go ahead and smooth out the curds. Wanted it nice and creamy. I didn't want to feel any of the curds in my pancakes. So I would recommend blending this up really well. We're going to then add in about a tablespoon of honey. Now you can use a different sweetener if you want to keep it low carb like monk fruit or allulose. And of course the vanilla, measure with your heart. Next step is the cinnamon. Now this is optional, but if you're adding it, measure with your heart. And just a pinch of salt. We're going to add in 2 large eggs. And then go ahead and mix this really well. Next up, we're going to add just a 1/2 cup of flour and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix that up really well. I think next time, to keep this a little bit more low carb, high protein, I'm going to do a little bit of flour and almond flour just as a mix and see what happens, but this time I'm going by the recipe. We're adding a little bit of butter to a hot pan and get that nice and hot and melted. And then I am just measuring out 1/4 to a 1/2 cup of batter to the hot pan, and then we're going to cook this on medium heat until it starts to bubble. Once it starts bubbling, flip it over. Just going to cook the other side for another 30 seconds to a minute, and you are done. It is ready to serve. I cannot express how delicious these pancakes are. They are so good. They melt in your mouth. They're soft and yet fluffy and kind of doughy, but not doughy. They're so delicious. Definitely check these out. You can put whatever you want on top. If you're trying to stay lower carb, then add like a keto maple syrup or no syrup at all. They're delicious either way. I cannot wait to try these with maybe 1/2 almond flour, 1/2 regular flour, just to bring the carb content down, but definitely going to be a staple in our home. They're amazing. I really hope you try these out. These are so delicious. You, your family, your friends are going to love them. Let me know if you make them, what you thought. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. I really hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.